How to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. You can post anonymously in a Facebook group only if the group admin has enabled anonymous posting. But if it has not, then you'll have to open an anonymous account. Then simply tap on the search address bar at the top and search for the group name. And once you search for the group where you want to post, simply tap on it and navigate to its profile and tap on the join option available there and join the group. Now simply tap on the join now. Some Facebook group does not accept join right after you tap on it. You will have to wait for a few minutes until the admin verify you. Then after verify, tap on the photo icon available there and start posting. If anonymous posting is enabled, you will see an option that says post anonymously at the top, or else you will have to post it with the anonymous account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.